Long ago, 7 Dragon Balls were forged and scattered over the face of the planet.
Narrator, why?
Once united, the Eternal Dragon will be called forth to grant the discoverer.
Yo, dang, we just got in here! How did you collect the Dragon Ball so dang fast? And no one told you Dragon to come out? Get your looking like Mount Everest. Are we there yet? Is this road going in? Size out of here. Before the 5-0 comes!
Oh snap!
Cause we know you've been selling the weed!
A single wish.
And where you think you fly to? This road just got started! Shenron, how about you land 20 steps under the sea? Cause you're doing way too much! Chill!
Oh snap!
Did I tell you? Get out of here! Cause you just been caught!